In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bend text here in Canva. Now, this is actually extremely easy to do. Now, first off, we're going to need the text on the canvas. Now, for this example, I've just got bend text. Now, what you want to do is click onto your text, come up to effects just here, come over to the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom where we see this shape and it says none and curve. Now, if we click on curve, we can now see that our text has been bended. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, we can see this bar. So we can actually play around with the curvature of this text. So if we lower this bar, it's going to bend it one way, just like that. And if we increase this bar, it's going to bend it the other way, just like that. But as you can see, is extremely easy to bend text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.